Welcome to Mastering Crypto Technologies, a Path to Financial Freedom. In this comprehensive video, we're going to dive deep into the world of cryptocurrencies and explore the key steps to becoming a tech crypto expert. If you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, let's get started. Step 1. Educate yourself is where your crypto journey begins. Understanding the basics is crucial. Start by grasping the concept of blockchain technology, the foundation of cryptocurrencies. Dive into how transactions work on a decentralized ledger and explore the various consensus mechanisms. Learn about the different types of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin to altcoins, and their unique features, such as smart contracts and tokens. To gain this knowledge, there are countless resources available. You can enroll in online courses, watch video tutorials, and read books on the subject. Learning at your own pace is a luxury in the world of crypto education. Step 2. Stay informed. Step 2. Stay informed is all about keeping up with the ever-evolving crypto landscape. This market moves at lightning speed, and to succeed, you must stay ahead of the game. Subscribe to reputable crypto news outlets, follow crypto influencers on social media, and consider joining cryptocurrency communities and forums. Networking with experienced experts and enthusiasts will provide you with valuable insights. Discover the latest market trends, emerging technologies like DeFi and NFTs, and potential investment opportunities. Being informed is your compass in this dynamic environment. Step 3. Practice, practice, practice. They say practice makes perfect, and that's certainly true in the crypto world. Involves getting hands-on experience. Start by creating a demo account on a cryptocurrency exchange. Experiment with different trading strategies, from day trading to long-term hodling. Familiarize yourself with the trading platform's interface and tools. Additionally, understand the emotional aspect of trading. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, and managing your emotions is as important as understanding the technicalities. Practical experience will help you develop the discipline needed for success. Step 4. Build a diversified portfolio. Moving on to Step 4. Building a diversified portfolio. This is a critical step for long-term financial success. Diversification is your risk management strategy. Research different cryptocurrencies thoroughly, their use cases, teams, and market potential. Consider diversifying across various crypto assets. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You might also explore combining traditional assets with crypto investments to reduce risk further. We'll explore various portfolio building strategies and how to adjust your portfolio as market conditions change. Step 5. Security measure. Security measures is of paramount importance. In the crypto world, you are your own bank, and protecting your investments is non-negotiable. Ensure you use secure, encrypted wallets. Enable two-factor authentication on all your crypto accounts. Stay vigilant against phishing attempts and scams, as malicious actors are constantly trying to exploit the unwary. We'll delve deep into the best practices for safeguarding your crypto assets and how to recover them in case of mishaps. Step 6. Join the community. Lastly, Step 6. Join the community. To truly master crypto technologies, immerse yourself in the vibrant crypto community. Attend local meetups, webinars, and conferences. Engage in online forums and discussions. Collaborate with like-minded individuals who share your passion for crypto. The crypto community is a wellspring of knowledge and opportunities. It's where you can find mentors, discover innovative projects, and even potential business partnerships. Your journey doesn't have to be a solitary one. You can learn and grow together. In conclusion, mastering crypto technologies is your path to financial freedom. By following these 6 essential steps, educating yourself, staying informed, practicing, building a diversified portfolio, prioritizing security, and joining the crypto community, you're well on your way to becoming a tech crypto expert. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth journey into the world of cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, tips, and updates on your path to financial freedom. Remember, the world of crypto is constantly evolving. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the opportunities that this transformative technology offers.